wrong? What's wrong, bro? It's all right, man. I'm gonna pull you out of here. Let's go. What's up, guys? It's your boy AJ, back with another video. We're going on another kayak adventure today. It's a little chilly. You can see the breath. I think it's probably, how cold is it, Luis?
45.
About 45 degrees, so it's a little chilly in the morning. It's supposed to get up to about 65 down here in Texas today. So we're gonna hit the water. I already see some little fish action here in the water. Another creek adventure on the kayak, this time featuring my boy, Luis. Let's get it. What's up, Luis? You nice and cool now? Luis fell in the water right now, y'all.
He pushed me.
First time in his kayak, guys. First time we put it out on the water. And
he pushed me.
he fell in the water. And it's 40 degrees. Was the water cold? It's cold. Oh yeah, I feel it. It's cold. So we're gonna try to catch maybe some largemouth bass out here. Let's see what we can find. This is Luis's first time in the kayak. So let's get the day started. All right, guys. So last time I was here, I lost my whopper plopper. It was brand new. I got it stuck right here on this bank. I was fishing from this other side. Got it stuck over there. I was like, one day I'm gonna get my kayak in here and I'm gonna get that dang whopper plopper. These things are like 13, 14 bucks. Just got it stuck out of the little brush pile right there. There's some string on that. So I'm gonna keep that in the boat. But there you go. Whopper plopper. Still good as new. Let's go. I'm pumped about that. There's bass over here, bro. This is perfect for bass right here. Trying this top water right now, boys and girls. This is our first time right here in this spot. Trying this top water whopper plopper here. I like this area of the creek. I've never seen this spot. Never been to this spot. It's kind of shallow right there. I'm probably about to hit something. I'm in probably like not even a foot of water right now. Push off right there a little bit. If we can get a topwater hit, that would be awesome. All right, guys, so I'm out in my waders. Current is super strong. Luis is fighting the current down there. I'm gonna have to go. He does not have waders. I'm gonna have to go pull him upstream past this tough current, because right here it's really, really it's really, really strong. So there's lots of rocks here, so I'm being careful. He stopped down there. Looks kind of frustrated. So I'm gonna go help him, pull him upstream. Whoa! Almost fell right there. What's wrong? What's wrong, bro? It's all right, man. I'm gonna pull you out of here. Let's go. All right, guys. First one of the day. It's a little dinker, but we're off the skunk board, so I'll take it. I didn't hit record because it hasn't been too promising here on this. It's my first time on this side of the creek here. Hey guys, thanks, little buddy. We are now officially not skunked. Thanks, dude. All right, guys, so I got a couple bites. Caught one, got another one up to the boat, and then he fell off. They're here. They're eating these shad. Just bringing it downstream. They're biting all the way. That one bit all the way up to the boat. They're in here. Trying to cast better. I'm learning with this thing still. Bait caster. I've never been a bait caster person. But I recommend this Corrado, man. It really minimizes my backlashes anyway, and I'm a beginner. It's done really well for me. I've never really had a serious backlash where I'm like, you know, where it's like a really bad bird's nest or whatever you call it. Eh? Oh, I had a bite or I got stuck on something. I know I got two already, two little ones, but. All right, caught a couple dinks in that spot, guys. Moving upstream a little bit here. I hit a couple new spots right here. Let's get it. All right, guys. Switched up the bait, another dinker. We're catching dinkers here, but hey, it's fun. Switched up the bait to another crank, but it's a new crank that I just picked up from Academy, all white. And these baby bass are another dinker. These baby bass are tearing it up. I think something took a chunk out of him. But these baby bass are tearing it up. They're liking that white shad imitation. Thanks, guy. Got this white shad imitation, just jerking it a couple times. They're hitting it all the way up to the boat. Just slowly bringing it in with the current. They're coming up and hitting it. They're tiny bass, but they're fun to catch right now. I'm catching nothing else, so I'll sit here and slay these little dinkers. Hopefully we get something bigger though. Just gonna walk around. You guys can see I'm about waist deep in water here. Found a little hole here where I've been pulling out dinks. Just gonna keep hitting this little hole here. Putting these waders. Really, first time I really put these waders to work. There's a nice little hole right here. There might be some crappie in here too. Wading through this creek, guys. Parked the kayak up there. Just walk around here looking for some deep holes. It's kind of vine or something. Nice little spot, a little juicy spot. Look like we're knee deep here now. There's a nice little hole here. It gets a little deeper. Ooh, over here it gets a lot deeper. I'm in about waist deep water. Feels like sandy bottom here. About waist deep here. I think I'm gonna fish here. Whoa. Right here it gets real deep. Right there's a fat hole. I'm gonna fish right here for a second. See if we can get something here. A little white crankbait right here. Deep enough for this crankbait right here. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. Oh, let me get him out. You see how they're coming? They're in these little nice little holes here. Come over here to the edge. That one's a little bit better, so we're upgrading on him. Getting some better better fish anyway, look like. They're loving this this new little crankbait I got here. Sorry, man, I know that hurt you. Thanks for the catch. He came all the way up to where I was. I'm trying to cast over here in the deeper side. Come with the current, because the bass are suspending right here. We're just waiting for the bait fish to come down. I'm in waist deep water right here. And that's what we're... Oh, freaking casting on the tree. How the heck did I do that? I didn't even notice that tree above me. Catching these largies. Wading in the creek. That's what we're doing today, guys. And I'll stand right here in the dang middle. I'm at waist deep water. It's a nice deep hole right here where there could be some nice size largemouth over here hunting. That other one was bigger than the other ones I've caught so far today. Dang. Hit the tree above me. Sorry, guys. When you fish in these creeks, you gotta keep an eye out for these trees, though. That's the only thing. Little tiny baby. Dang, I freaking foul hooked a little tiny baby bass. Look at that, guys. Poor guy. Dang it. That is the tiniest bass I've ever caught. Let me lip that boy. Dang, got him on right on the top. Sorry, dude. Dang it. Poor guy, hooked him on the top there. Could use this guy as bait. That's how big he is. Look at my hand. Tiny little guy. Another little baby, guys. Nothing but babies in here. My first time fishing this creek. Look how little tiny that guy is. Another one. Another dinker. Mira. Another little dinker. Another little one, guys. They are so tiny in here. There's got to be a mama and a papa in here somewhere. Gotta be. Dinker. All right, guys, so there's little ones in here. Trying to fish this edge too. It's a little deeper on this side. Maybe the monsters are hanging out over here. Come on, I need a better one than these little dinks. It's the dink show today. It's a dink fest today, guys. There's gotta be some monsters in here too. All right, guys, so there you have it. I'm back at the house now. it was a day of, you know, dinks all day long. So it was a dink fest. I had a blast with my friend Luis. It was his first time out on the kayak. And man, we just had a good time. In the past couple of weeks, I haven't posted anything because honestly, I've been having a hard time catching fish, at least, you know, decent sized ones. So, you know, I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like. You already know what you got to do to support the channel. I love you guys. Click the like button, click that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.